then we have, what is this?
That's the gnocchi with the grilled chicken.
Gnocchi with grilled chicken. And what's this called?
Smoke and pop, or pop and smoke.
Pop and smoke?
Right here.
I'll let y'all know from here. This is nice. Told you this gnocchi. Look, where's my spoon at? I just want to see how nice this looks. This is so beautiful. Gnocchi. These are dumplings. Oh, you gonna put cheese on it?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Look at my card. It's like that commercial. Tell me when. Keep doing it.
Thank you. That's it.
That's good? Thank you.
I have you here all day.
I ordered another pineapple. Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Also, do you guys want the cheesecake now or do you want to
Oh, you can bring it now.
bring it up?
Yeah.
Babe, this is delicious. Ooh, that is so good.